Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create this slide design. So let's get started. First, go to shape outline and choose a semicircle. Drag it onto the slide. Make it thinner like this. And place it in the center of the slide. Next, go to Shapes and choose a rectangle. Make it thin. Then duplicate it twice. And position the copies as I'm doing here. Now select all the shapes, go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, Fragment, then remove the extra shapes. After that, insert a circle. Drag it here. And resize it. Duplicate it 3 times. Select all these shapes, go to Format Shapes, and set them to no line. Then select 2 shapes and click Union. Repeat the same process for the remaining shapes. Next, select all these shapes and change their color to gray. Then select one shape, go to Shape Effects, Presets, and apply an outer. Do the same for the other shapes. Now insert another circle, drag it over here, make it smaller, then remove the outline and change its color to white. Go to Shadow and choose a preset. Repeat the same steps for the other circles. Add numbers inside the circles, change their color to gray, adjust the font size and the font. Then copy the formatting to the other circles. Next, go to Shapes and select a line. Draw it like this. Change its color to gray. Then go to Shadow and choose Preset. Make it slightly transparent and increase the blur effect. Repeat this step for the other lines. Now go to Icons and choose any icons you like. Change the color to gray and place each icon inside its corresponding shape. Insert a text box, drag it here and add your title or text. Select the text and customize the font. After that, select the first shape and change its color to blue. Change the icon color to match. Then right-click on the slide and select Duplicate Slide. We need to repeat the same process for the second, third, and fourth slides, highlighting a different shape each time. Finally, select all the slides and apply the morph transition. Now let's preview the slideshow. We have reached the end of the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.